Hey guys, welcome back. My name's Kurt with Rock.Hounding.Adventures, and today I got a box in the mail from Vivor. I think that's how you pronounce it. They sent me a box of a new piece of equipment that I plan on trying out. This is going to be an unboxing today, and then we'll do a review a little bit later. Box is a little beat up from shipping, but they sent me a nice pottery wheel machine. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna put this up on the tripod and go ahead and open it up. Okay, so we got the instruction manual. We'll check that out a little bit later. And we have the pottery tool carving kit. These are the tools that came with it, with a sponge. You have a nice apron if you need one. And then I think these are the carving knives. Yeah, you got your carving knives right here. If it will focus. So we'll pull these out a little bit later in the video. And you have this is the step button, I guess, to like change the speed or the rotation of the disc. So it looks like it has a pretty good depth as far as the water basin goes, and then the aluminum alloy turn disc. Let's see if we can get this out of here. Very well packaged. Okay, so I have the machine on the table, all the tools spread out right here. We're just gonna take a look at the instruction manual real quick, and we'll take a look at this again whenever we do a video review. I'm just gonna open this up and just show you each page. This is just pretty much talking about if you need help with the machine, or if you want to read the warnings. This talks about the different model and parameters, and the structure diagram, and then what each component is for. This is just a diagram pretty much showing you how to use the piece of equipment with the clay, your wooden tools. This right here shows the knives, which, there you go. And I have the knives pretty much set up exactly the same. So these are your stainless steel knife set, and then your wooden kit right here. On the back side of this, it tells you what each one of these is called. And then underneath it is the apron. And then operating steps. This is skill guidance. So if you have questions and that you're not sure about, example, clay is in a spiral shape, reasons and solutions to help. And then that's what the next couple of pages are as well. So now I'm going to close this up, and we're going to take a look at the actual piece of equipment. Okay, so before we get started, I just kind of want to point out that there is a safety box on the plug, so that way you can test to make sure that it is working properly, and then also a reset button for the power. So So we're going to go ahead and plug that in. And it's working. Turn it on. So I just want to say that the turning disc is a 9.8 inch aluminum alloy disc, and then this is the water basin. They made it where it just snaps apart right here on the side. Okay, so there's a clips right there and right here, and you just pop these off. It comes apart. That way you can clean it, and then you can clean around here if it spills or anything of the sort. So we're gonna put this back on real quick. So we're gonna go ahead and turn on by pushing the power button. Comes up like this. Hit the plus button, and it immediately starts spinning. And then if you want to go up in speed, you can hit the plus button and go up. So 195 is the top speed. So let's hit the foot adjustment. And because the heel is pressed all the way down, the turntable stops spinning. So we're going to push this down and watch to see how much this goes up. So it goes way higher with the foot pedal than it does by itself. My cat's looking at it like, what is this? But yeah, so I think this is going to work nicely once I get the clay. So everyone that does purchase one of these, make sure you do buy clay with this because it does not come with any. And just a quick option for people that are into lapidary. I'm not sure how well this would work, but you could probably take this turntable, attach Velcro, and use it as like a flat lap with the different speeds and stuff. I do know this turn disc will hold up to about 17.5 pounds of weight, which is nice. And then the motor, I believe, is a 350 watt motor. That's what it said. Yeah, 350 watt motor. So if you guys are interested in purchasing one of these, it is available on Amazon, and I'll have the affiliate link down in the description for you guys to check it out. I believe it's on 27% off, so make sure you go over there and check it out if you guys are interested in picking one of these up today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.